Hello aspirants, welcome to AQ IAS YouTube channel. This video is another episode of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll talk about Teram Shehr Glacier. Now before we talk about this glacier, let me tell you why it was in news. So recently, Indian Army sent an expedition to scale 5 virgin peaks located in this glacier. Now, friends, if you recall, in 2020, a question was asked on Siachen Glacier. It was regarding the location of Siachen Glacier. And this Teram Shehr Glacier, it is a part of Siachen Glacier. That's why it becomes very important. And we'll try to know the location of this glacier. Now, as I said, that Indian Army sent an expedition to scale 5 virgin peaks simultaneously. Now, the names of these virgin peaks are also very important because UPSC likes to ask questions on terms and names. And the names of these virgin peaks I have provided in PPT: APSARAS first, APSARAS second, APSARAS third, PT 6940, PT 7140. So these names are also very important. Now, as I said, it is a part of Siachen Glacier. So Siachen Glacier, we already know that it is located in eastern Karakoram range in the Himalayas. So location is very important. And it is located very close to Nubra Valley, north of Nubra Valley. So if you know the location of Siachen Glacier, it means you know the location of Teram Shehr Glacier as well. Why? Because it is a part of Siachen Glacier. Now let me tell you some facts about Siachen Glacier. Remember, it is world's highest battlefield and it is largest glacier in non-polar areas, and it is a part of Ladakh. Ladakh is a union territory now. You must know this fact as well. And I have provided the map. Okay, you can see the location of Siachen Glacier. It is here, and Teram Shehr. This is the location, and it is located very close to Nubra Valley. If you can see, north of Nubra Valley, and it is a part of Ladakh. Okay, so location is extremely important. You must be aware of the location of Siachen Glacier and Teram Shehr Glacier. And I have provided the map. You can try to know the location by analyzing the map. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos, and you can follow our social media platforms for daily current affairs content. That's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next video soon. Thank you very much.